going to take you through a quick stretching routine. We'll do 40 seconds on and 20 off each exercise. So let's get started. We'll start with side stretch. So put your arm slightly down your leg and put your other arm overhead like so. Switch sides. Now the world's greatest stretch and we'll plank and spread out your legs and stretch like this. And make sure that knee goes out and you're not experiencing knee buckets. Switch sides. Next, the seated spinal stretch. So put your legs out, put one over, turn to that side, and put pressure against your leg as you try and turn toward that side. Switch side. Really turn that body and feel that stretch in your lower back. Next, the seated hamstring stretch. We'll do each side. So reach for your toes and bend at the hips to stretch your hamstring. Other side. Calf stretch. Get in downward dog and push down on one leg. So your heel touches the ground. Switch sides. a quick stretching routine you can do at the end of your workout to loosen up, live longer, feel better, and add life to your years. Feel free to reach out to me, just comment below and I'll start a conversation.